myself. Exhale, cause I heard it helps. But same old way I felt, resting on my shoulders. Cold night in a sleepless bed, white eyes with a glaze of red. I'm going round and round, it won't let me out.
So I do appreciate it if you do hit that subscribe button. So just go ahead and search for Midjourney. So what Midjourney is actually an AI model that uses stable diffusion to be able to generate these kinds of images. And the way you get access to Midjourney is you have to get access to their Discord. So once you go to midjourney.com, I'm hopefully it will not sign me into my okay. It's actually signing me into my app. But if I go ahead and use incognito on this, so all you have to do is visit Midjourney, then you will get the invite to that particular Discord, and it's from the Discord server where you'll be able to make these generations. So this is Midjourney. So if you go ahead and click join the beta, which is what you want to do, you'll actually now get the invite to Discord. So let me just cancel that because I already have that. So once you get onto that Discord, you will not start all of a sudden start making the actual illustrations and generating some arts. What you'll need to do is you'll go into the newbie rooms. So once you go into the newbie rooms, that is where you'll have access to the command for generation. And you have to take note that these generations usually happen so fast. So let's just go ahead and start our first prompt. So to generate an image, just go ahead and use the imagine prompt. Then now describe exactly what you want. So in this case, let me say maybe a dog, maybe a muscular dog doing 20 kg deadlift, something of the sort. And maybe add realistic. Yeah, something of the sort. So as you can see, so many generations are actually happening here. So you gotta keep track of yours and be able to actually locate it. But it usually takes a few seconds. So as you can see, our prompt is actually added to the queue. So probably the people who made their prompt before us, they're going to get their prompt before we do. But no worries, so will we. So will we. So as you can see, you can pretty much generate everything from pixel art, 3D illustrations. Look at that. There is our prompt right here. Look at that. Oh, look at this dog. Oh, of course, it does make some mistakes sometimes. Like this dog doesn't look to have another the fourth leg, but no worries. I guess he enjoys it that way. And yeah, look at this. This is much better. So let's say I like the first prompt better. So I'll say do variations of that first prompt. So I can just go ahead and say do variations of the first one. But I can also go ahead and upscale it once I'm satisfied with it. And yeah, so wait first. I've now created the prompt for these variations. So let's just head down and wait for that to come into the picture. So as you can see, this is the process of the generation. So we're going to see pretty much somewhere here. But it is crazy. It is crazy what you can do with AI at the moment. Also for the web, you can actually use these AI generated images, probably maybe for your landing page. You need an asset that you don't have, just prompt AI to create it for you. So let's say, I think the highest one here is the second one. So I can just say upscale the second image, just like that. There it is. So here's my buff looking. So I can just go ahead. If I want to save this, I can just click on that and I can have that saved to my download. So yeah, great. So this was just a tip of the iceberg on what exactly you can do. You can also always go back to ChatGPT to generate for you the best kind of prompt for whatever you imagine. And yeah, this was just a quick episode of the coffee hour. Hope you guys loved it. I'll see you guys in the next one. As always, thank you for liking, subscribing, and yeah, peace out. Peace out.